Meaning of EFL.
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 EFL. EFL stands for English as a Foreign Language. It refers to the learning and teaching of English in a non-English speaking environment. EFL learners are typically individuals who do not use English as their first language but are studying it as a second or additional language. This includes students who are learning English in school, as well as adults who may be studying English for personal or professional reasons. The goal of EFL instruction is to help learners acquire proficiency in reading, writing, speaking, and listening to English, allowing them to communicate effectively in a variety of settings.